Hello, everyone. I'm Alex. Welcome to our English podcast. Today, we're going to talk about making new friends at school. Let's jump into today's conversation. Hey, you look new here. I haven't seen you around before. Are you just starting at this school?
Hi, yeah, I just transferred here last week. My name's Jamie. It's a little overwhelming, honestly.
Nice to meet you, Jamie. I'm Alex. I remember my first week. So many new faces and confusing hallways. Which grade are you in?
10th grade. I used to go to a different school, so this is all pretty fresh for me. How do you like it here?
It's pretty good. The teachers are nice and there are a lot of clubs and activities. But yeah, the first few days can be overwhelming. Do you know your way around yet?
Not really. I've been wandering around trying to find my classes. The building's huge.
I get it. I can show you around if you want. Maybe we can grab lunch later and I can give you a tour.
That would be really helpful. Thanks. I could definitely use a friendly face to help me navigate.
No problem. So, what kind of things are you into? Any hobbies or sports?
I really enjoy drawing and painting. I also like playing tennis on weekends. How about you?
I'm into sports too. I play soccer after school and I love listening to music and binge watching shows. Maybe we could play tennis sometime, or you could even join a soccer game.
That would be cool. I've never played soccer seriously, but I'd like to try.
Awesome. And you're good at drawing, huh? Want to show me some of your artwork sometime?
Yeah, I'd love to. I've got my sketchbook in my bag. It's nothing professional, but I enjoy it.
I'd love to see it. Art is a great way to express yourself. By the way, want to join the art club? They're always looking for new members.
Yeah, I think I will. I was planning to sign up after school today.
Cool, I can go with you. I'm thinking about joining too. Maybe we can do some projects together.
That sounds fun. How long have you been into art?
Honestly, since I was a kid, my parents are into painting and design, so I guess I picked it up from them. Plus, it's a relaxing hobby.
That's awesome. I love how artsy you are. It's inspiring.
Thanks. I admire anyone who's creative. So, what do you miss most about your old school?
Mostly my friends and my art teacher. I had a really good relationship with her, but I'm hoping I'll make new friends here soon.
You will. It just takes a little time. And trust me, this school isn't so bad once you get used to it.
I hope so. I was nervous about fitting in, but meeting someone friendly like you really helps.
That's what I'm here for. Everyone feels out of place at first, but the more you get involved, the easier it gets.
Yeah, I should try joining some clubs or sports. Maybe I'll check out the drama club next week.
Great idea. They're fun, and their performances are amazing. I've got a few friends in drama and on the soccer team. We all hang out after practice.
Sounds like a good group. Maybe I'll meet them soon.
Definitely. But hey, before we forget, let's exchange numbers so we can keep in touch.
Good idea. Here's my phone.
Got it. And here's mine. We'll hang out more and help you settle in.
Thanks so much, Alex. I really appreciate it.
No problem at all. So, besides art and sports, are you into music, movies, or gaming?
Yeah, I love listening to music, mostly indie and alternative bands. And I play video games when I have free time.
Nice. I'm into the same genres. We should exchange playlist recommendations sometime.
That would be awesome. I've discovered some new bands recently.
Perfect. And if you ever want to chill, I know some cool spots around town, like the park or that new ice cream place downtown.
Oh, I love ice cream. I definitely want to try that place.
So, do you want to sit together at lunch today? We can talk more and maybe meet some other students.
Yeah, I'd like that. It'll help me feel more at home.
Great. And if you ever need help with homework, just ask. I'm pretty good at math and science.
Thanks, Alex. That's really kind of you. I might message you later.
Anytime. School isn't just about classes, it's about making memories too.
I'm starting to realize that. Thanks for making me feel comfortable already.
Of course, that's what friends are for. Let's catch up at lunch and plan our first club visit.
Sounds like a plan. See you later, Alex.
See you, Jamie, and welcome again. Don't be a stranger.